Hello, everyone. I'm Alicia. Welcome to Mission Vocab. Today's advanced English vocabulary word is anecdote. Anecdote is a noun that means a short account of a real event or personal experience, usually shared because it is interesting, revealing, or amusing. For example, during the interview, the actor shared an anecdote about forgetting his first line on stage and improvising the rest of the scene. The professor opened the lecture with an anecdote about getting lost on her first research trip to introduce the day's topic. At dinner, his grandmother told an anecdote about secretly adopting a stray kitten and hiding it in the laundry room for 2 days. Synonyms for anecdote include story, account, reminiscence, and recollection. Anecdote is often used in conversation, speeches, memoirs, and journalism, and it emphasizes a brief real story, not evidence that proves a broader claim. That's anecdote. One word, stronger English.